Delicious potato with garlic sauce has become one of my favorite recipes. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 3 potatoes into slices this way. Now I will put a piece of foil on a surface, add a little olive oil to not stick, then I will put a garlic and roll the garlic in the foil. This recipe is amazing. It's fast, easy, healthy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. Next, I will take the potatoes to a container. Season with a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, a little olive oil to taste, and I will mix everything very well, so that all the seasonings take the potatoes. This amazing recipe, I'm sure it will surprise you. Once this is done, I will transfer the potatoes to a pan that can go to the oven, then I will put the garlic in the middle of the pan. Make this recipe at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I'm going to bake in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After the time, I will remove the potatoes from the oven, remove the garlic from the middle, then turn the potatoes in the pan. This recipe has already become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home as well. Now I will take to the oven again in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, but this time without the garlic. Meanwhile, I will chop some chives to taste, but this part is optional. You can use as much as you want. Now I'm gonna take the foil off the garlic. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with potato, I would love to know. Then I will squeeze the garlic out of the peel in a container to make the sauce of our recipe. Then I will mash the garlic with the help of a spoon. Now I will add 50 grams of melted butter, the chopped chives, and I will stir everything very well, so that everything is mixed. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. Finally, I will remove the potatoes from the oven and serve, then put the sauce. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Monica Moran from Ireland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.